Hi economics students! I just wanted to very quickly tell you a little bit about these self-check quizzes because you'll see them come up quite a bit through the course. As you probably now noticed, you have quite a lot of reading with that reading guide whenever we have a lesson. And so when we do have that happen, I find it's helpful that you have a quiz to check how well you understood some of the economic concepts. So this is for a grade, but as you can see down here, it's just for an assignment grade, so it does not count toward your assessments. This is more so for you so that you can see how well you did understanding those concepts. And if you find that there's one in particular that is really something that you just didn't quite grasp, make sure that you talk to me via the Canvas inbox. But otherwise, you're allowed 5 attempts here to get this quiz score as high as possible to check out how well you understood our economic concepts. So please let me know if you have any questions regarding this. But otherwise, I hope you do well and good luck.